This video will cover the two grading systems you can use with Teacher Aide Pro. You need to decide on one of the grading systems near the beginning of the class and stick with that grading system throughout the class. To see the difference between the two, tap on the settings icon on the top right and then select grades. The first one is points, and this is where you assign max points value for every assignment you create, and then the assignments grades are colored based on the percentage the student gets. So here you can see 85% is green and above, between 75 and 85% is a light green. And if you want to change those, like let's say for example you want to set the top value as 90% or above, simply tap on the value there and you'll be able to enter a new value and you'll see it'll update quite easily there. Tap on the standards selection at the top, and here you'll see if you use rubrics or learning goals where you give students a score based on how they've met their goal. You can use up to 5 different grading standards. Here 4 sets, as you can see. Everyone has a long form, the abbreviated form, which is used on the seating chart, and then also the percent value. So it's very easy to change these. Simply tap on any one of those options and you can edit the name, the abbreviation, and the percent value. All right, so to assign a class a grading scale, by default, each class uses points. What you can do is tap on the class settings, which is the icon to the left of the settings there. It looks like a chalkboard with a graph. As you can see, points are set up. If you want to know about categories and weighting, there's a separate video. This is a new feature to the app. But I'm going to tap on standards now, and you can see very easily we've switched over to standards. If you had created an assignment with points before, you're going to lose those point values, and so you might want to make sure that you don't have any assignments when you switch, or that you know you're going to lose those point grades there. And now when I come back, let's go ahead and create an assignment, and we'll just call this goal 1. And as you can see, for the standards-based, every assignment is given a mandatory 100-point value, so they're all equal. You can change the date, and if you had any other classes that were using standards, you could also copy this assignment to that class. We have none, so the copy is empty right now. Tap on Save, and now simply if you touch any of the grades there that are empty, I get the selection of, in this case, exceeding, meeting, approaching, or beginning. So I'll tap exceeding, and for Anna, I will touch meeting, and Sean will do beginning. And so you can see the student percentage grade there below their name, the number of missing assignments they have, and you can easily see how the students are doing based on the different learning goals you use there. All right, I'm going to switch back to class 1. This here is where I'm using points, and if you go ahead and tap new assignment here, you'll see that here I can actually set the maximum number of points for an assignment, but otherwise they're all very similar. When you tap a points assignment, you'll actually be able to enter the number of points you want to give that assignment. All right, I hope you enjoy the option of having the standards-based grading if you do use that in your classes.